job.
Best places we boondock so far have been in New Mexico here.
It's true. Well, we didn't do any boondocking. Well, we liked the one. That was really just the weather that we liked, though, in Arizona.
The pull off on the side of the road.
Yeah. One of the running kind of jokes with our RV is that we have so much storage that I put anything and everything that I ever wish we could do on our trip in there. And one of the jokes is that I brought an entire golf bag, not on wheels, but it has both right and left-handed clubs in it and like 100 balls. And I was really hoping that we'd have the opportunity to just chip some golf balls somewhere. The boys are out retrieving balls way out there with the bicycles, which I also wanted to bring. So it's really, really a lot of fun that we're getting the opportunity to take advantage of all the things I was hoping we would do.
I got the golf ball.
So that was about 9,000 feet out there.
It was?
You're gonna go get it?
Yep, I know they are.
So we really like this boondocking spot. It was really wide and the weather was pretty nice. It did get a little windy. What'd you say, Andrew?
I said it was like we had our own little backyard. It was actually kind of big, and there's a little lake there that made the sand muddy.
And
Don't go bike riding in it.
the cranes came in at night. What did you like about it, Nathan?
Everything. I like that there's like salt in the sand.
Yeah. And we found bones, and we found pieces of wasp nest, and we found cow pies. And he did bring home a bone, so it was a lot of fun.
She wants to burn the cow pies.
I may or may not be dragging some cow pies with us to burn at our next location. Hey, it's part of homeschooling because we're learning about life on the wagon train.
You gonna send Margaret a sample?
I will send our distance teacher a sample. Where are we?
At the Alien Museum, and I'm riding a sawdust. Look.
Can you see the alien in there?
Okay. I don't know.
So I'm not gonna lie, I'm not super into aliens, and I expected this place to be a little bit kind of hokey. Maybe like, I don't know, like trinket shop kind of place, but it's actually really clean. The panels are really informative and detailed. They kind of express both sides, and so skeptic or believer, it's kind of a pretty cool place to go. Not super awesome for kids because it's mostly just reading and pictures, but even Nathan is enjoying himself, and he has no problem finding things to gripe about.
Today's edition presents a roundup of the latest developments in the finding of a flying disc. Late this afternoon, a bulletin from New Mexico suggested that the widely publicized mystery of the flying saucers may soon be solved.
Other theories include that maybe it was one of these crash test dummies from the 1952 is this one, that it was that they had seen and not actually aliens. Lots of theories I didn't know about.
Like what we know?
Like what we know to make alloys from, yeah. So I think these are artifacts that were recovered from the crash site, but only within the last 10 years. And it says that there's not much scientific research done on them, but some of the stuff they found out is that the composition are alloys that we don't know. Or it says they don't match any known alloys.
That's your baby.
Smoke's coming out.
What do you think, Nathan? How tall are they? Well, we're 5 foot. Yeah? They're a little shorter than we are. How would they fit in that disc?
I think this is what you typically would think of, like the military laboratory that has the dead alien bodies. I don't think this is full size though.
Are those full size?
You know, there's all kinds of different aliens they say, and those are about 6 feet tall. Usually they're a little smaller than that if they're the gray types, but I don't know what types these are supposed to be. Do I sound like a big nerd?
A little bit. We can ask the audience. Leave a comment. Does Andrew sound like a big nerd? This meteorite fell to Earth about 4,500 years ago in northern Argentina. This is really big. It was part of a much larger body that broke into pieces before impact. All right, here you have it. They have officially put Bigfoot, well, I guess they have a humanoid on there too, on alien types.
I would like.
Hey, that one's cool.
Yeah. Wait.
Can I see it?
They're fighting.
They're fighting.
Yeah. On the inside.
Ah.
That's good.
Oh.
You want to try again?
Yeah.
One more try. You had it lined up well.
I'm pretty sure this is not gonna walk.
Oh.
That's funny.
They took the aliens. They say that they did an autopsy. They took them apart to find out what they were. Would you be curious to know?
Not exactly.
Not exactly. Andrew and Nathan really liked this drawing. There's some other pretty neat ones as well. I'm not too into aliens, but I think this one's kind of colorful and neat. toys. It's like Yarny, but he's made out of tires. He's tiry.
It's a Roswell UFO license. Height 3'3". Weightless. Oh, and those are nice alien glasses too.
Oh yeah, they are.
Alien license plate. Oh,
What is it?
we forgot our tinfoil hats.
I know. All right, so that was pretty fun. And depending on the amount of time that you have and your interests, the streets right near the museum have an alien theme. Imagine that, with gifts and some other things like that. Nice topiary there. So if you want to do a little bit of shopping and look for some other more unique items, t-shirts and things, they are available.